foundation. So my hair is a mess. I'll get it done tomorrow morning. But as you see our title, we'll be doing the try not to laugh or grin
challenge.
My nose challenge. So yeah. Let's get to the video.
By the way, she's A from A and Jamie.
Ready? Yeah.
Thank you, baby. I didn't get a good face.
Dad.
These are children from all socio and economic backgrounds.
Mom.
Dad.
Where you say,
Mom.
never be
Dad.
a child.
Mom.
Dad.
First task force of its kind
Mom.
in the U.S.
Dad.
All right, time to get a check on the first meeting.
Mom.
Violet. They're a type of flower and they're purple ones. Do you like them?
Yeah, because they're purple.
And what do the violets letters start with? V.
V.
Yay!
Here comes Avenue. No. Here it comes. Woo! Evan! Woo! Wow, we got a round of applause. Why does she sleep like this?
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Ooh, shake it, shake it.
One, two. Why you cry when we count? Huh? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. 1, 2, 3. A, B, C, D. 1, 2. Timmy.
So guys, when they get to 5 minutes, I'm gonna stop it because we're gonna do parts. That's gonna be like part 1. So yeah.
Hey, mama. You say mama.
gonna stop it here. So I remember we left off here at his face. But it's the end of this video. If you like this video, please share, comment, like, and subscribe. If you didn't, you know we don't care. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share. So see you in the next video, AJ Nation. Peace.